Hello everyone, welcome back to my page. Today I'm so happy, I'm so excited because I am making refreshing homemade Tepache drink. Yeah, I'm so happy. This drink is highly recommended if you're on a lost weight journey. It is very good, it is healthy, it doesn't cost a fortune to prepare. Just a simple process and a little amount, which is very good. Yes, Tepache drink is a traditional Mexican fermented drinks made with pineapple. Yes, as you can see, I wash my ginger first. I match it. I peel it and I match it. And the next thing is to wash our pineapple very well. You have to make it very clean because we are going to be using the peel. Yes. And once we are done washing it, we start peeling it. Please, if you're just joining my page, just press the follow button. And please comment on my page. And please like, share with friends. Yes, because this is a very important recipe that you wouldn't miss for anything. And so we are peeling the pineapple. And the next thing we are going to do, we are going to get a bowl. You can get a bottle, but I'm using bowl. I'm going to add water into the bowl, a bit of sugar. Some people don't use sugar, but I am going to be using sugar. So we are going to add sugar, then you add your pineapple peel. Make sure the pineapple peel are clean, please, because health is wealth. So you're going to add the pineapple peel inside the bowl, and we have a cinema stick, and also star. Some people don't use star, but I'm adding star to mine. And so we are going to have clove as well. Then we cover it. You can cover it for 48 hours. Some people use 4 days for it to ferment. Depending on how you just want it, just cover it and allow it to ferment at a room temperature for about how long, but make sure it is 24 hours above, 24 to 48 hours. But mine, I'm going to be using 48 hours. That's 2 days for it to ferment for mine. And after that, strain the drinks and chill it inside the fridge. And after it, a natural, sweet, sliding, fizzy pineapple drink is ready. Yes, so refreshing and easy to make. Try it and let me know what you think. All right, guys, stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.